So with Educare voting system, you can use this to conduct any kind of voting you do in your school. So to set this up, you come to the voting system, which is here, and come to voting setup. So this is where you create the categories you want to vote for. Say, for instance, one of the category is head boy, and I'm going to add this, and I have another category, say head girl, and I'm going to add this. So this is basically where you create the categories you're going to be voting for under the voting setup. Then the next thing is to come to manage votes. So in manage votes, this is where you create the election basically. So if I click on new vote session, I'm going to call this prefect election. Election. So I'm going to set the duration. This election is going to take place. So today it starts at, say, I can say 1 a.m. and it's going to end today at probably 3 p.m. Then vote categories. These are the categories I'm going for: head boy and head girl. Then I also have the candidate rule. Who are the candidates? The candidates in this case are students. And who are the voters? In this case, the voters are students and teachers. Those are the people going to be voting. I'm going to add admin also. Then I can just put any instruction. Vote your preferred candidate. Yeah, so I can just put any instruction there. Submit. So once I click on continue, already the categories I want to vote for is here. So I'll go to next. So the next is for the head boy. Who are the candidates? I need to add them. So I'm just going to click on this add new candidate button here and select. So I'll pick the head boy from a class. Say I'm just going to pick this guy here and this guy. Okay, let me make it 3. So these are the people I'm adding as the candidate for the head boy. Then for the head girl, I can also pick 3 females. 1, 2. Okay, let's make that 2. So once I click on next, these are going to be the voters who are going to be voting for the various categories here. So once I'm done, I'm just going to click on updates, and that is it. So I can now go back. So you can see because the time is 1 a.m. for today, this is already past 1. It means voting has started. I can temporarily click on this, stop voting to stop the vote. But right now the voting is active, so people can vote. Since I gave myself permission to also vote, I can just come to my vote. This is where you come to when you want to vote. So this is the election I created. So if I click on vote, I can see the candidates, the different categories for head boy and for head girl. So if I want to vote for the head boy, I'll pick my vote. Probably I'm voting this person for head boy and the first person here for head girl. So once I'm done, I can just submit my vote. So this vote has been submitted. If you notice, I won't be able to vote anymore. If I try to click anything, it brings this notification that I already voted a candidate. So right now, I've already casted my vote. If I go back, I can come here to see how the voting is going. So because I'm the admin, I can just view the results so far. And for the head boy, I can come here. 1 vote so far, and that was from me. So if everyone is voting, these votes will be counting in real time. So student, parents, whoever you put that can vote will be able to vote, and you can see the votes here in real time, basically. If you want to stop the vote before time, you can easily click on stop voting and view the result. If you also want other voters, if you want the voters to see the results, you click on this publish results, and it means that everyone can monitor the voting process in real time. But if you want only the admin to monitor the voting process, you unpublish the results. So it depends on you. So that's basically how the voting works. Thank you.